Hello everyone. It's been a long time, but my hair is bright red and it's actually half shaved underneath, but you can't see it right now and my room's a mess, so I'm not gonna go into big depth about this. But I am currently making sure I have everything packed for college because I leave on Saturday, and so I'm trying to make sure that I have everything packed, and I still have a bunch of stuff to get tomorrow. So yeah. So right now I have this bag packed, which has got mainly clothes in it and a little bit of decoration in it. I've got this right here, which has got hangers, a thing that one of my friends made me for graduation, and pillows. And then this bag has got a whole bunch of miscellaneous stuff in it. And the bag underneath it that's got mostly shoes in it. I've got 3 suitcases and my guitar, and then there's another bag in the back, and then my backpack. And then my laptop is gonna go with me along with all of my chargers and such, and then this dress is gonna come with me just because I need a little bit of a fancier dress, and then I need this for band camp. So it's a great day. Big box, 3 little storage things. This box has got stuff in it for the bathroom. Some other things, some hangers, a shower caddy that I'm not sure I need because it's only 4 of us in a bathroom. Some door organizers and a blanket. And that's all it's up is good, I think. I do believe. Sorry, the TV's on. I have to bring my flag, obviously, and my rifle down there. Bring it downstairs. In the garage. This guy's gonna ask me what I'm doing. Hi, I'm videoing, sorry. Oh, you can't see in here. Get back on the line. Oh, fuck, where's the light switch? There's a light switch in here, so I don't know which one it is. Sorry! I gotta record everything that I got so I can show my friends. Like the 2 friends I had. So there's some Dasani water, Dr. Pepper, my mini fridge, microwave, a little coffee thing. This is actually really cute. It was only 30 bucks. It's cheaper than a Keurig, which is good. Some fruit snacks, macaroni. Obviously, I have to have Easy Mac for college, right? Orbit, because it's gum. Capri Sun, Fruit by the Foot, some hot cocoa for the Keurig because I don't drink coffee. Yes, and granola bars. Alrighty. So, today, it's the next day. It is Friday, the day before I leave. And I have literally almost everything except for bras, because I need to make sure that I'm the right size right now, and my plates and bowls, and my doll. Those are the only 3 things that I know that I need offhand. So, but I'm going to show you what all I bought today, because I bought a lot of stuff today. So this is everything that I bought today, minus some of the stuff in this bag. The only thing I bought in this bag are the chips, and that and this. So, we're going to start off with what's in this bag. I have a plain white t-shirt because I needed that or something. I have an animal shirt, which I think is so cute. It's a little owl. Let's see if I can. It's really cute, and I got it at Walmart. So, and then I needed some brown or tan sandals. So I grabbed these, and I think they're cute, but I don't really like sandals that much. I've got 2 things of command strips, some markers for my whiteboard. This is probably way more markers than I need, but I like colors. The Pop-Tarts I already had. I got these because I wanted to see if it actually smelled like chocolate. So I'll see that in a minute. Obviously I got some feminine hygiene products. I got this mascara because I really want to try that. It's like a dupe for the Better Than Sex. I got this, so I needed the black and the grays. There's dental floss in here and some, sunscreen. Not all of that, like almost all of this I got from Walmart, minus the command strips and the markers. I got those at Target. So put this over here with all the rest of my crap. So in the big bag in the back, that's just got 2 pillows in it that I just bought from Ross. And then I got this really, really cute dress. It is a little bit tight, but I think it's okay. I like it a lot. And I got this at Ross. The only one there that I saw. I got 2 pairs of jeans, and these ones are high-waisted, and these ones are not. But they're really comfortable. I got these shorts, which I actually have not tried on yet. But I think they are gonna fit. They're really cute. I don't know how Dad's gonna feel about them. I'm gonna try these on in a minute. And then I got this, which is, I do believe it's a dress, yes. I got rudely interrupted by my boyfriend, sorry. It's just a nice little dress. It's very soft. Ugh, my bad. And this just has got a blue hairdryer in it because that's my color. And then I just really like how this flat iron looks. Or, straight up. And then I got both these at Walmart. Which actually, the straightening iron was a lot more expensive than the hairdryer. In this bag, I went to Five Below and I just got some fleece hangers for $5. Non-slip, it says. And then 2 little canvases that I think are cute. This one says "C'est la vie," but I love French and I love floral. And this one says "Be happy, be bright, be you," and I think it's a good motto. So, and then underneath all my clothing is a whiteboard that I got, and then I also have some ibuprofen because I'm gonna need that, knowing me. And then I got this whiteboard from my roommate and I just shared. And yeah, I think that's it. I think that's everything. I don't think I'm missing anything. Yeah, I literally was spending so much money. It's tax-free weekend where I live right now. That's freaking great. Hello. So, I am back from a little bit of family time and such, and my boyfriend, because I needed to see him. So, I got my bowls. These are from Target, and I got them for like 79 cents. And I got more plates than I needed. I got 4 plates, 4 of these, which are just plastic blue plates, which match my bowls. And then I had to go to Victoria's Secret, because my bra size changed, and get 2 bras, which is always fun. And I think I've got everything packed and ready to go, besides that stuff now. She needs to go back into the bag. And then I leave tomorrow morning. And I'm so excited. Well, hello. It is move-in day. And I've already checked in and done my registration and stuff that I needed to do. And so right now, my boyfriend and my dad just went to go put a big box of stuff in my room so I can make my bed later. So I'm assuming once they get that done, I'm going to tear some stuff up and then I'm going to start unloading stuff while they bring the rest of the stuff up. But look at all this stuff. And I took the big box upstairs already. But I'm on the 3rd floor of this side of the building. Well, of this part of the building, but my dorm's on the other side of the hallway. I actually got a great view of the parking lot. So that's actually okay. So we had lunch, and I can't get to it. It's in my pocket though. My room key. My roommate stuff doesn't move in until today's the 4th, the 9th. That's always fun. So I unloaded all my stuff, and so now I just gotta wait until they come back downstairs so I can help move some stuff upstairs. Hello. So I got back from practice not too long ago, and my best friend is starting to move a little bit of her stuff in her room, but she cannot move in yet. So on this bed though it's mine. I'm gonna put it in here when I get done putting the rest of my stuff away. So I moved into my dorm at 1. I had from 1 to 3 to unpack, or 1 to 4, 1 to 3:30. And then from 4 to 8, I had rehearsal. And so at 8 o'clock, I got back into my dorm and I started unpacking things. And then my best friend is unpacking her stuff. I don't know where she went. Her car left. I don't know. What little stuff that she has over here. We've got my stuff set up for the most part. I've picked out my dresser and my 2 drawers and my desk and my bed. We'll see what happens when she moves in on the 9th to see what happens with the bedding and stuff, because this room is tiny. I mean tiny. So yeah, I'll figure that out later. But for now, I will talk to you later. When my room is completely set up. For my side of the room anyway, we'll figure out her side of the room later. Yeah. Hey, so my part of the room is done. Minus, I need to put some water in the fridge over there. So let's start with my desk. So we have a whole bunch of stuff that I pretty much took from home. I got that from Walmart and that from Walmart. I got that as a gift. I got the pencil thing from Walmart. My best friend just gave me this. I got the honeydew thing from Universal. There's just some miscellaneous stuff, some of my youth group stuff, some drumsticks, a ruler, one of my Harry Potter ones, the other two are in the bag here, 2 of my 3 pairs of sunglasses, and then the other pair, I think they're in my guard bag, some white tape, which I put in my guard bag, a small brush, which also needs to go into my guard bag, and this drawer, so much of stuff like markers, pens, pencils, some chocolates, candy, Pop-Tarts, miscellaneous stuff like that, my gavel. And this drawer is some more miscellaneous stuff, but like I have my Apple TV stowed away in here, my Beats are stowed in here, my USBs in here, a couple of other things are in here that nobody wants to put them. And then in this drawer I have my extra sheets and laundry bag are right there. I need to take these out. There's makeup brushes in there. I need to take out my bowls and my silverware, and my plates are right there. Obviously my women's stuff, some cups, there's some more cups back in the back there. Sunscreen, my makeup, and my books. So that's that. And then just underneath I have my backpack and my water jug. On my chair I've got the guard jacket from high school. And these are both mine, but we don't know what we're doing with them yet. My roommate has partially moved in. We have the calendar up. I've dated it. I haven't put anything on it yet, but I'm going to. We put this up for like little notes and such. This was already here. Hello. Obviously I have water that needs to go in the fridge. And this is my bed. There's some pillows and such underneath here that I covered because I was about to get into bed and I remembered I did that in my MacBook. There's a whole bunch of food and stuff up here. We just got these. They're really cute, and she's got one on her door as well. I need to figure out a place to put that. My shoes in the bottom, cleaning supplies right here, my bathroom stuff right there, some more bathroom stuff / laundry stuff, all of my clothing that I brought, all my shirts and such that I brought anyway, and extra hangers, and there's nothing at the top because I can't reach that high. And then the first 2 drawers are mine, and you don't need to see this drawer because it's got my underwear and bras and such in there, but this has got all my pants in it that I brought, and I need to get a few others that I left at home. Dr. Pepper, and that goes in the fridge. In the freezer, I have some ice cubes. I have some ice cubes being made, and some ice cream. In my fridge, that's my microwave. And in the fridge, I have some Dr. Pepper, and I'm getting ready to put some water in here. I can't reach the Dr. Pepper. And then right here, I just have my flag and my rifle, which not quite sure where I'm putting those in. And then this is my best friend's bed, which is not done yet because she doesn't have all of her stuff here because she doesn't actually move until the 9th. But the bottom 2 drawers are hers. She's got some bathroom stuff in there. It's funny. And this is her side of the. Yeah, she's got a little bit of stuff in here. Not very much. And my laundry basket's right there. It's got dirty clothes in it. And then this tote's got some jackets and such, and then 2 under the storage things I didn't need, a clip fan, and a lamp that I didn't use. And this has got most of my towels and stuff in it. Oh, that one's got bags in it, I lied. This one's got all my sweaters and such in that. And then I've got 2 suitcases that I just need to get home at some point. This is my bedside caddy, and it's only got 2 things in it right now, but it will have more in it. And yeah, I think that's it. But I'm very tired and I'm ready to go to bed. So I'm gonna put these up and then I'm gonna go to bed because I have to be up at like 7 a.m. to get ready for something, so probably 6:30. So I'll talk to you guys later. Peace out, my dudes.